Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market just opened, so I'm going to see if I can catch some trades here. I will keep you updated. All right, just got some shares here. Initial entry point, so I'm liking this entry. I'm going to get some more if it wants to keep on moving up. So working on building a position here. Also throwing out some orders down here if it wants to break through 58. So let's see what happens here. Pretty big spread on it, so that's why I just went in small at first. So let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. Okay, it's getting excuse me, getting closer down to 58. So just looking to see if it can pull back, like I said, through 58. So that's what I'm still waiting on. Whoops, sorry about that. Missed. Got my, okay, got those ones. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just get my stop loss in place at 57.81. Oh, well, that was a mistake on my part there. Forgot to cancel that one I put out there at 57.31. And as you saw while I was working on the stop loss, it went down there and hit that. So took myself out of a trade, which is looking like could have been a much bigger winner for me. But oh well, the market's open. I'm not going to sit here and wallow and throw a pity party for myself. Stupid mistake. I should have canceled that order first. It is what it is. But let's see. We're 3 minutes in and I'm up 274, so I don't want to complain too much. Have a couple orders out here. Another one on FOSL to try to restart that one. And then looking to buy this pullback here on W. Have an order in at 45.51. Again, just a couple small entry orders of 500 shares just to get the position started. So we'll see how these play out. I'm still looking at other some other tickers. So let's actually, I'm going to keep this one running. We'll see how fast it drops on the break. So we'll see if it can drop down there or not. I'll do my best to capture the entry point if it looks like it's going to happen. Did change the order down to 45.01. This is just based off of the 5-minute chart. Over here, we're looking at the 2-minute chart, meaning each of these candles represents what's happening every 2 minutes. On another monitor, which you cannot see, I'm watching other time frames. So like I said, changing that one down to 45.01 based on the 5-minute. So let's see what else is out there. All right, this EBIO was just halted, opened again, and then rehalted. So I'm watching this one very closely. I'm not going to lie, a little bit nervous on it. After this past week with AQXM, went from 250 up to like 55 bucks. So if I do short it, I'll have to enter in very small and then be smart about it. So we'll see if that happens or not. I'll keep you updated. No idea when this is going to reopen again, but I'll keep you posted. Okay, I have an order in to do my next entry point area here up at 60.50. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. On FOSL again, so you can see here making a good size move. So let's see if it can get up there. I will do my best to capture the entry point. Okay, I actually changed it to 60.55, so I'm in at 60.65. So let's see if I can get some off here, or if I can build a bigger position. I do like this entry point quite a bit, but this is one where I'm also just was a initial entry point here for me. So let's see what happens here. Let it roll some more. So I have some orders to buy, so I got those ones off at, okay Joy, just a minute. Sorry, that's my daughter. She wants to watch some more Mickey Mouse. I'm watching over her while mom's out doing a couple errands this morning. So I have 100 left, and this time I'm going to try to do better in terms of my stop So if it gets above 61, I'm going to hop out, but I'm going to continue to move this down if it moves in my direction, which it just did there. So I'll probably get out. All right, so all out there. So now up 348, all from FOSL. And I'm going to go get Mickey Mouse going for my daughter, and maybe I'll be back to try to trade it some more. Keep you posted. So I now have an order out there at 61.35. Mickey Mouse still isn't playing yet, but we'll see what happens. It's working its way up there. So there's the break. Now getting very overextended. So I will keep you updated. Okay, so I just moved it up to 62.35. This thing is really getting volatile here, and I'm up nicely, so I don't want to jump the gun or anything. Looking over at the 5 minute, I think I might have missed out on my entry point, but no need to force anything. It's not even a half an hour in, and I'm up 348, so no need to get greedy. But I do have an order at 62.35, and now I'm going to go do Mickey Mouse real quick, so I'll be back. All right, now looking at Cree here, but real quick while I'm thinking of it, a lot of people ask me, how am I finding these stocks that I'm trading? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide, so I'll bring over some information on that real quick. So if you are interested in some of these tools that I use and think it may add some value to your trading, then you can click right there and I'll email you the guide. It's totally free, no strings attached, nothing like that. And it's a good risk versus reward. Maybe you find zero use to it. Well, low risk because it was free, but hey, if it helps you out, then that could be some potentially good reward. So again, totally free, and you can just click right there and I will email it to you. So hopefully it can help you out. So let's figure out, and I'd like to try to capture one more trade on video, so let's see what I can find. Have an order in to start building a position here at 78.75 on YUM. So we'll see. I'd ideally like for it to just shoot straight down there and fill me on a break of the round number of 79. So we'll see if it can first even break down 79, and then if it can, just how much of a drop occurs. So we'll see what happens. All right, so it just broke through 79, but didn't really get much of a plunge at all. If anything, you can see how fast it got back above 79. So not exactly what I was looking for, but still watching it. It is now 10:21 a.m. and things have just slowed down quite a bit. Pretty choppy out there, and I'm hearing the voice that says, just force a trade. You said you would get one more trade, but I'm really just not seeing anything. So I need to just cut this video. Joy, just a minute. I need to cut this video off. And like I said, I got my daughter who I'm watching, so I'm going to go spend some time with her. But regardless, caught a couple good little trades there. Caught them pretty much all the way through, which was good. So again, if you're interested in the tools that I'm using to find these setups and such, go back and you can get that guide, and let me know if you have any questions on it. So thank you for watching. Get out there and trade without emotion.